So the control panel for the fridge freezer is above the fridge. So you hold down the button and that switches it on. This grey button, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, you can then select how you want to use your fridge. So when you are at a hookup at a campsite, you want it to be on this one. This is running from your battery when you're driving, and this runs from your gas. You can also select auto and it will automatically choose the best one, but you just want to ensure that when you're at campsite you are running off the electric there. You then press the grey button again and it will ask for your temperature. So if you just set it at 3 or 4, that will keep your goods cool.